Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, as I was scrolling on TikTok, this is the video that I saw. This guy was just passing by, a ShopRite Liama flower, and he saw cats, guys. Cats on the shelves. Like, look at those cats, they're hiding behind a flower. Guys, hi Sham, I am so scared. Imagine you just take one flower there and then you see cats just staring at you, and it's not even one cat, like it's a lot of cats. I think it's three because there's one that side, but it's probably more. Maybe in the aisle there are security cats there. And I saw people in the comment section saying, no, they're doing it for my rats, they're doing it for so that the cats can chase away rats. Guys, ShopRite is such a big company. They can afford to go to professionals like Hugen Zaboma. I don't know, it's fumigating or what, but so that they can be able to chase away the rats. Not this thing of having ama cats on the shelves while people are buying food there and the cats are just there sitting. And then someone commented with this picture in the comment section saying that she bought this at ShopRite, and when she opened it there was just nje idoti and I don't know if it's cockroaches, it's dead cockroaches or what, but nje yo guys kuningi. I know Gucci, like maybe they're doing it to better to protect the stock, but there are other ways that they can use because food is such food man is something that needs to be protected. Imagine animals are running up and down that food, nje, up and down that aisle, bagibela ama-flour, bagibela ama-rice, impuphu, and then you come and buy that thing and go and eat it. Like it's such it's a lot, son. It's a lot. I saw people taking ShopRite in the comment section, and we are not saying it's all ShopRites that do this, but they need to do better. They really need to do better, And I know Guti, if this was a ShopRite that was in the suburbs, like they were not going to do this, but because it's a ShopRite that's in the location in the township, they are doing this because really they don't take us serious, Shem. Our health they don't take us serious. Like I kuningi sana. Kuningi, I am so scared. Like I'm just imagining myself taking a flower lapayan and then I see a cat looking straight into my eyes. Yo. Hi guys, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. What do you think of ShopRite using cats to chase away the rats? Because this is such a health hazard, son. It can never be me. But anyways, please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what do you think of this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye.